In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert or add links, also known as hyperlinks, in Jira. If you're looking to enhance your Jira documentation or simply want to direct your team to useful resources through hyperlinks, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to have a Jira issue open. This is the space in Jira where you manage your project details, discussions, and tasks, making it the perfect spot to insert external links that can add valuable context or direct your team to further resources. Once your issue is open, you need to navigate to either the description or the comment field. These fields support text entry and, importantly, allow hyperlinking, which means you can seamlessly integrate your notes in Jira with external websites, documents, or other resources. Now on to inserting the hyperlink itself. You have a couple of methods to choose from here. The first is by clicking on the Insert Link button, which you'll usually identify by a small chain link icon located within the text editing toolbar. For those who are fans of keyboard shortcuts and enjoy a bit of efficiency, you can use the Ctrl and K keys together. This handy shortcut helps you open the link insertion interface quickly, saving you valuable time. When you activate the link insertion interface, you'll be greeted by a field where you can paste your URL. This is the web address or direct link to the resource or website you want to connect to your Jira issue. Next to this, you'll see another field labeled for link text. This is essentially the clickable text that will appear in your Jira issue. It's a smart practice to use a concise and descriptive phrase for the link text. By doing this, you ensure that anyone reading it will immediately grasp the link's purpose or content. Once you've entered both the URL and the link text, pressing the Enter key will set the link in place within your description or comment field. Take a moment to check that everything looks correct and that the link works. You'll then need to save the changes you've made. This step is crucial because it ensures all your hard work, including drafting and linking, isn't lost. Just find the Save button, often located towards the bottom of the form, and click it. And there you have it. We've walked through all the necessary steps to effortlessly add hyperlinks to your Jira issues. Whether you need to direct your team to essential documents, related projects, or informative web pages, hyperlinks are an impactful way to enhance the connectivity of your Jira entries. Go ahead, give it a try, and see for yourself how links can improve your project's documentation. Enjoy the added depth and resourcefulness that hyperlinks bring to your Jira workspace.